Today, we're learning common Vietnamese words for hairstyles, how to describe hair length, texture, and popular hair treatments you'll hear all the time in Vietnam.
Tóc ngắn,
Short hair,
tóc dài,
long hair,
tóc ngang vai,
shoulder length hair,
tóc xoăn,
curly hair,
tóc thẳng,
straight hair,
tóc xơ,
damaged hair, frizzy hair,
tóc mượt,
smooth silky hair,
nhuộm tóc,
dye hair,
duỗi tóc,
straighten hair,
uốn tóc,
perm hair, curl hair,
bấm tóc,
crimp hair,
nối tóc,
hair extensions,
cắt tóc,
cut hair,
cạo đầu,
shave one's head. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoy the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to VLS's channel for more exciting topics. See you next time.